If you want to know how to do this trending Fulani braids with crochet without feeding, then you've clicked on the right video. By the time you're done watching this video, you know how to create this Fulani braids with crochet by yourself. Welcome to Irunbelle. My name is Tope. Here's how I plaited the back section of my hair. I parted across my head and I plaited it. I joined that plait to the next one, and I'll now show you how I joined the other plaits and secured them. So, I picked the plait from the right side and I joined it to the middle one. I plaited down for a bit before I added the plait from the left side to the middle plait, and I finished up the plait. To secure my hair properly, I did some tucking maneuver. Depending on how long your hair is, you'd want to tuck your hair under the join plaits from left to right until there's nothing left to tuck. It could also be from right to left, whichever way works. Time to work on the front section. I'm using leftover expression braiding hair from a previous hairstyle. I think I cut it in half then, and it's color 1B. I'm also using some crochet hair that I used for my Janelle Monáe hairstyle for the front section. If you haven't seen that video, do check it out. I'll link it up here. You won't believe that in creating this Fulani braids crochet hairstyle, I spent the most part of my time parting my natural hair. My hair and scalp refused to cooperate with me. Just look at my serious face. For someone who wanted this Fulani braids hairstyle to be quick, I spent way too much time parting my hair, but you know, we move. I applied some shine and jam to my roots to help keep my cornrows sleek and neat. I then detangled my crown gently. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a no feeding hairstyle to create the Fulani braids crochet hair. I plaited my natural hair in front all the way. I added the extension, the braiding hair, the expression braiding hair using my crochet needle when I got to the end of my cornrow. If you have a larger crochet needle, please use that. Mine was on the small side, so I had to squeeze the extension for it to go into the pin and for it to work. Pull the braiding hair through. Then take less than half on each side and move those sections to the back. This would give 3 sections to add to the 3 natural hair cornrow sections. This is what it looks like. See how nicely it blends. I added coily crochet hair to each braided section. I'll show how I did that on this braided section. At this point, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It will help this video to reach more people, and it helps me in terms of feedback on how to improve the channel. Also, do subscribe if you would like to see more videos on how to care for and style your natural hair. I have well organized playlists that you can check out for videos that might interest you. I'm on a journey to 1K subscribers and I hope you'll join me. Here's a different angle of how I added the braiding hair using my crochet needle. This was my attempt at stretching my natural hair so that I could blend into the braiding hair properly. I added the curly crochet hair shortly before when my natural hair ended. I then picked out one half of it, continued braiding, and then picked out the other half. And here's the completed look. Crochet time! So I use the main concept Afrobeat natural velvet wave in 18 inches color 1B. It costs £8.95p, approximately £9. I used one pack. I plan to mix the crochet braiding hair with another crochet hair that I had at home, but I changed my mind. If you want your Fulani braids with crochet hair to be fuller, use 2 packs or 1.5 pack. To secure the crochet hair properly, I use the double knotting method. Pull the hair through once and then again like you see me do. Because I was only using one pack of crochet hair, I tried to spread the hair around the back of my hair evenly to cover my cornrows. If you're using one crochet hair, try to do that as well. Even if you're using 2 packs, you also want to make sure that you're covering your cornrows and you want to spread the hair evenly around the back section. For the part I plaited across, I added the crochet hair to the top and the bottom almost alternatively for proper coverage.
Few minutes later.
Here is my finished look. I absolutely love the results. This is the volume I got from one pack of crochet hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and bye.